Welcome. If you want to control when Instagram can use your microphone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for microphone permissions on Instagram. This setting gives you the power to decide if and when Instagram can access your microphone, every single time it needs it. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might be called App Management, depending on your device. This section lists every app installed on your phone. Now, find Instagram in the list. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you see Instagram, tap on it to open its app info page. Here you'll see a section labeled Permissions. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can manage what Instagram is allowed to access, like your camera, contacts, and of course, your microphone. Look for Microphone in the list of permissions. Tap on it, and you'll see several options. To have Instagram ask for your permission every single time it wants to use your microphone, select Ask Every Time. This way, you'll get a prompt whenever Instagram tries to access your microphone, and you can allow or deny access based on what you're doing. That's it. You've now set Instagram to ask for microphone access each time it's needed. This gives you more control over your privacy and ensures the app only listens when you want it to. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these settings and adjust the permission as needed. Keeping your app permissions in check is a great way to stay in control of your personal data and privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need the same tip. Stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials.